Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LG K22. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it, choose I accept, tap confirm, click continue and select allow. You want to go with Send on an Android and Receive or LG K22. Now tap on all of those dots to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will just go with this one song. So now I will tap on it, click Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. I will tap on the scanning icon, choose Allow and scan the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out, you can go into Further Files, click Continue, in my case choose Audio and tap on Send Anywhere. As you can see, my song is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!